Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate it if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a ladies 31mm stainless steel Rolex Oyster Perpetual on an Oyster bracelet. The model reference number for this watch is 277200, and we are looking at a black index dial today. Current retail price as of 2022 is $5,400 US. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and bracelet, and I'll give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. The Rolex Oyster Perpetual 31 is a ladies mid-size watch case at 31mm, and that measures from my thumb to my pointer finger here. It's been the most popular size for most ladies, and it's noticeably larger than its 28mm counterpart. This case is rated to 100 meters or 330 feet of water resistance, so it's okay for you to go be swimming with this watch on your wrist. It's going to hold up just fine. Looking at the side, you'll be able to see that it has high polished sides and lugs that are holding the Oyster bracelet. It's a mirror finish there. This stainless steel domed bezel is high polished for a mirror finish as well. Looks nice and simple. All of the 277200 models have this same domed bezel. Now going into the dial, we're looking at this beautiful black sunburst dial with index hour markers. There's luminescence on the hour markers and the hour and minute hands, all of which are made of 18 karat white gold. So it's easy to read this dial in low light conditions. Now going in the crown on here at the 3 o'clock position can be worn in its first position once you unscrew it from the case. Ten to 15 turns should get that watch moving. Second position out is going to be able to adjust the hour and minute hands. Once you have your hour and minute hands set, you can just pop down the crown, screw it down, and your watch is set. Very simple chronometer, no other complications. The movement that runs the beautiful watch is a caliber 2232. It has the hour, minute, and center seconds functions. The power reserve is about 55 hours, so you can set this watch down on a Friday night, pick it back up on a Monday morning. It should still be keeping time. While you're wearing it, the movement of your wrist is actually self-winding this watch as well. Moving on to the bracelet that holds his watch, we're looking at a stainless steel Oyster bracelet with a full satin polish. Sides of the bracelet and buckle are high polish. Nice contrast there. And the bracelet is opened up with a folding Oyster clasp deployment. Open up so. Nice fold over. I'll show you how that goes over my wrist, and this is a lady's watch. It will fit my wrist out of the box with all the links on. There's also an easy link feature that's underneath this bracelet. Get that zoomed in, and what happens is this easy link feature opens up this bracelet another 5mm, allows your wrist to breathe. If your wrist gets hot and swollen, you would deploy this easy link feature, and it would open up the bracelet and allow your wrist to breathe. It's nice. They didn't have this on the previous model before. As far as what I think about this watch, this is a great starter watch for ladies. If you're just getting into high-end Swiss watch timepieces, this is a great watch to step into. The retail price of this watch is very appealing. It's easy for many to work with. It might be a good everyday wear watch for someone who doesn't mind not having a date function on their watch. It is a workhorse, and it should hold up well over the years of use and abuse. You can match this watch with pretty much any type of clothes. You can wear this with a dress clothes or even a t-shirt and shorts. It's very versatile in that respect. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. Model reference number again is 277200. This is the Rolex Oyster Perpetual 31mm stainless steel with a black index dial and Oyster bracelet. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.